What's up? We're at Index PDX and we have Richie Lee in Portland right now.
Great to finally meet you.
Had to link up with him since he's in town, and I'm gonna do a video just showing you guys my top 5 picks at Index right now.
Oh, top 5 picks?
Yeah.
Did you narrowed it down?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it right now.
All right, let's get it.
Starting off in the number 5 spot, we have this shoe right here. Yeezy Wave Runner. This is a shoe that I really have not liked traditionally, but wait. I actually wore these ones into the store because I thought it was going to be funny. And then now I did the real thing right here, so it's kind of crazy to see them next to each other, the real ones versus my customs that I ended up doing. But yeah, I mean, these are actually really light, and if I actually had a chance to buy these now, I hate to say it, but I'd actually cop them. It's crazy. Who would have thought?
What up, man?
So the number 4 shoe, we're gonna give it to Richie, and he's gonna tell us what shoe he likes the most.
Yo, man, it has to be the Oregon Duck 3s right here. Super iconic, really representative of Oregon in my opinion, obviously. Absolutely. Being here, I had to pick these. Index PDX, man, they got some crazy P's here. They have these 14s. Yeah. I've never seen those 14s up.
I've never seen them personally, man.
Yeah. So these right here, obviously with this, the tongue right here.
Yes.
Would you say these over the 4s or 4s?
Okay, so,
these?
but Richie, I gotta tell you, man. This is the only time an Oregon shoe will probably make my countdown because I'm a Beaver. Oregon State didn't get the love like that. I mean, that Oregon.
Are you? Oh, so you're Oregon State?
I'm alumni Oregon State.
Wow, my man.
Yeah, it's all good.
Hold on, let me switch that up. Yeah, we got that. We're just gonna call these the Oregon States. You know what I mean? Oh, that's why you were. No, earlier when you brought up the whole, this is the only time these would be in my list. I was like, did I say something wrong?
No. I was messing with you. Nah, for Richie Lee, we'll allow an Oregon shoe in the top 5.
Come on, you can't say these are hot though.
But honestly, if I had to choose between the 4s and the 3s, I would definitely choose these. These are amazing.
Yeah.
Like, these are crazy. Obviously, it looks like a black cement almost, but it has its own personal hits. And the duck.
What's the backstory behind these?
Pit Crew. It's like the Pit Crew is the crowd section, right, at the football games. Yeah. Yeah. So
okay.
Yeah. So this is like one of the Pit Crew shoes, and you had to be like a member, I think, of the Pit Crew in order to get one. But
what's up, man?
Yeah. Thanks for joining the countdown, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate
for sure.
it. All right, so number 3 spot we have these joints right here. These are some sample Air Jordan 10s, and you can notice it has the steel liner, which is definitely different. You don't usually see the red around. Also, this has some suede around the piping right here. It doesn't have the tumbled leather that I think that the other ones had tumbled leather on them, but this is definitely a different colorway than we've seen previously, and it's definitely a cool little sample that Index is hosting in Portland. So number 2 spot, we have a pair of shoes that looks a little bit interesting. This is actually a Soul Collector Penny, but this is not the one that ended up released. Obviously, you can see the laser lime green on this one. It's not the blue colorway, and the blue one's the one that actually ended up releasing. But this is just a super ultra limited version of the Soul Collector pennies. These are like, I think there's like less than 10 of these in existence. So super dope gem, and especially if you're a fan of the other pennies, these ones are definitely iconic. So these released in 09, and this is part of the 5th year anniversary for Soul Collector. All right, so number one spot, we have this pair of sneakers right here. You can see it has a UK on the tongue, different than any pairs out there. You might have seen this on Drake's IG. So you guys might have seen the Calipari pack that had the white and the black version of this, but it didn't have the UK on the tongue. It had the 23. So these ones are super, super limited. I have to say, in hand, the leather quality on these are just insane. Like, it's just such a buttery, buttery nubuck on here. Little gold accents. I mean, gold stitching on the Jumpman. These things are definitely crazy, and I'm happy to get these in hand here at Index PDX. If you guys want to go shopping at Index, go check the link in the description and see what pairs they have available on the website. Super dope shop, and I'm glad that they let me come in and do this video for you guys. Big shout out to Richie Lee for making the guest appearance. His channel will be linked in the description if you guys want to go check it out. Have a good one. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.
Are those 5,003s? Oh, wow. Yo, that's kind of random. Wow. I was like, am I seeing what I'm seeing?